At Hitempro, precision and performance are at the heart of everything we do. With over a decade of expertise in high-temperature insulation materials and advanced CNC machining, we provide engineered solutions that are trusted by industrial customers worldwide. Our state-of-the-art CNC milling, drilling, and tapping systems allow us to achieve precision tolerances as tight as plus or minus 0.05 millimeters, ensuring that every product meets the highest standards of quality. We specialize in a wide range of materials, including FR4, 3240, G10, G11, and GPO3 laminates, all of which are used in critical applications that demand durability and reliability. From mica sheets to epoxy glass laminates and phenolic laminate sheets, our products are specifically designed to serve industries such as motors, transformers, automation, heating systems, and more. Hitempro offerings extend to custom heating dissipation panels, transformer coil bobbins, and insulation structures that play a vital role in enhancing the performance and safety of electrical and mechanical systems. Additionally, our high-performance materials are also used in the production of fiberglass surfboard fins, knife handles, and planet gears, providing both functional and aesthetic benefits. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in our rigorous ISO 9001 quality control processes and adherence to global compliance standards. Whether you're in Europe, North America, or Asia, Hitempro is your trusted partner for both prototype and full-scale production, offering tailored solutions for your manufacturing needs. At Hitempro, we don't just supply materials, we collaborate with you to bring your vision to life. With a focus on innovation and efficiency, we are dedicated to building the future together with our partners. Visit hitempro.com and discover how we can support your next project with precision engineered solutions.